Welcome everyone on a perfect night for football with the floodlights beaming down. My name is Derek Ray, excited to be bringing you match commentary, and alongside me, my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson. And what we have coming up for you is first leg action from the quarter-final stage of the UEFA Champions League. It is Manchester City facing Barcelona.
Well, we're now down to the last 8, and they're all very good teams. This game here should be high on quality, full of drama, and a great spectacle. Let's hope I'm right.
Gündoğan. Now a potentially dangerous position for City. Foden. Couldn't grab hold of it. And the verdict of the officials is offside.
Well, he just gets caught ball watching here. Needs to be more alive, work harder to keep onside, and be ready for the chance.
Haaland. Lewandowski. And given away by Barça. Can he put them ahead? Can they forge ahead? And there it is, 1-0. Their efforts have been rewarded. And look at the celebrations.
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
And Barca get the ball moving once more. How will they react? Dani Olmo. Nicely timed tackle. De Bruyne. And Barcelona have possession again. It's got to be! And a goal it is for Manchester City. They are the team on course for victory.
Well, this is a brilliant strike, as you can see. He hits it with so much power. The keeper had no chance. Fantastic finish.
Two 2-0 now, and back underway. Lewandowski. Erling Haaland. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Doku. Haaland, and a goal! What a magnificent display! It's such a one-sided contest here.
Well, as you can see, he makes it look easy in the end, but I think that's a good finish. He'll be pleased with that.
So the action continues, and City really cantering to victory here. Lewandowski. It might be. And keeping it out. Haaland. Phil Foden. Guardiola. Doku. Just looking for the right moment for that final pass. De Bruyne. Nicely saved. Opportunity. A goal! An exceptional performance this. Forward to the good now.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts off with that cross into the box, just begging for a teammate to get on the end of it. And then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage in this match.
Now, please remember that racism will not be tolerated in any form, and offenders will be removed from the stadium.
Well, underway once more, and Barcelona facing an uphill climb after the events of the first 45. De Bruyne. On to Haaland. Barca have it back. The free kick decision goes the way of Barcelona. A change in the offing for City. And that's an important intervention. Haaland. Jeremy Doku. Haaland. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Oh, he couldn't outwit the keeper. Stones. Jeremy Doku. Mateo Kovacic. Guardiola. Composed and patient passing. Will it be? And quite simply, a wonderful chance was squandered. It's to be 2 substitutes in 1 go for City. Perfect tackle. Pedri. Haaland. Haaland! Never really close to the goal, and it will be a goal kick. Full-time then, and the lead belongs to Manchester City after 90 minutes.
Well, they've been excellent today. The forward passing, the movement of the strikers and the crossing have all been of the highest quality, which should make the second leg a formality.